London, New York, snap. Yeah, Macdicator the map. Yeah.
Hello. Good evening. What's going on? How's everybody doing? All right, so we got a couple things going on here. We are live in the Discord as well as we are live here on YouTube. So if you want to chat with me and Hunter's going to be coming on here sooner or later. What's up? Think for yourself. We're going to be, up here. Come hang out with us. Come join us. You could type Discord. We have obviously it already popping up for me, which it's working. So, interesting day today. We got contract rollover, been kind of in this range where we're just kind of channeling back and forth. We had a gap up here at 25,000 that we went and smacked real fast in about a minute. The Macdicator gap up there, which we had to be on the NQM 2026 contract in order for us to see that. It didn't come in on the universal contract that we use on TradingView. But we did have that going for us, and also Trade-A-Bait showed us a gap there. So let's do some quick analysis here, and I think Hunter's going to trade tonight, so he's getting ready right now. But while we're doing that, let's look at what's going on for levels. I wouldn't be shocked if we came down to 24.813.75. We got put a line there. I would put a line at the top of the gap that we have there. Let me zoom in and show you here. We got a gap from March 16th. So earlier today, we made this gap 24.813.75. I put a line right there. We could come and fill that 2-tick gap here shortly, or we can continue back up. And we do have two 1-tick gaps up here at 24.894.75 and 24.897.50. So if you need to rewind that, put that on your chart to give yourself some sort of idea that we could reverse there. We had a pivot at 24.900. We had some resistance here at 24.880 earlier before close. So I'm going to put a line there for us. The reason why we definitely this low here, and I'm watching, kind of trying to pay attention to this area for support. We did have a lot of support today, and I want to definitely right here. That looks like there's support there. Get this gap here, and then we definitely, if we get past all that mumbo jumbo, we could go right there. And then I want to put a line here at this price underneath here on the 1-minute chart. So paying attention here. We got the book maps. Let's see what we got for book maps. And I must have switched over not too long ago. I said my famous word. I forget that that's the word. So again, we have gaps all the way down. If we do want to retest back to 24.517 on the M contract, that is very possible. Gap there. This could go all the way back. I mean, I would look for more support in this pivot, this pivot gap area here at 24.575. I would look for more support there. Taking down the full screen here, going to the book maps. We got some sell-off right now happening on the book at 24.500 using the H contract, So actually, you know what? My bad. I'm sorry. I know that Discord can't see what I'm showing here. Hold on. There's the live one. There's the book map we needed. All right, so we got the book map here. Let's see what we got. 24.8. Yeah, I don't like how VWAP and POC are pinched on the book. So we got them pinched out. Deviations above and below. 21 contracts at point of control, 850. 850, so rotation in here, definitely. All right, so we're just gonna pay attention to the next couple of minutes. Hunter's gonna join us here in a little bit. Get to kind of tell you his journey in his trading setup. I don't know why I keep coming up to the front here, but that's okay. We'll get it fixed. We'll get it fixed. So let's see here. Think for yourself. I'd love to have you come up. Come on up. I'm very curious to see if the YouTube will pick you up. Think for yourself. Welcome to the stage.
What's up, Ryan?
Discord. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. How are you? Can you hear me in the Discord?
I can.
All right. Awesome. This is my first time bringing up the Discord. We got some cool things. So I think I can hear you on YouTube too, I'm assuming.
Probably.
Should be able to hear you. Probably. Yeah, you're coming through. You are coming through.
And you please.
Think for yourself. I know we've talked about this before, but not quite on YouTube. Explain to us your trading background a little bit. How many years you've been trading?
9 months.
What exactly?
9 months. Well, I've been trading options and stocks for a little over a year. A year, and it might be a little more than 9 months. Come April, I think is when I started trading futures. And I've been trying to figure this shit out. Trying different strategies, open and range, breakout, trying to figure out price levels, watch the options. I mean, that's really where I'm starting to get results when I can find good entries. NQ's just evil. It doesn't seem to, I mean, it respects levels, but sometimes it doesn't. So, I mean, I'm frustrated, you know. I'm at the point where I'm not constantly blowing accounts. I cut my losing trades quick. I think today I said, I think I just trade too fucking much. I can go up not all at once. I was up $800, and my losses were like $775. So I made 25 on the day. It's just consistency.
And what are your normal strategies? Think for yourself.
Well, so it keeps changing because I keep seeing. So I've been trying to watch the org strategy, open range breakout. That's been. I see consistency in there. I don't like when trades go against me, even for a bit, because I'm like, I try and trade price levels. So like this level should hold. Like today was an example. What the hell was the trading at this morning? I don't quite remember, but that and it kept testing the level in the range. And I'm like, shouldn't be going back and forth through that.
Sure. Some interesting news out there today.
Very much. And I mean, I try and watch news and see how that moves the market. It's just every time.
So you mentioned something in the TWB. You mentioned that you were still having a hard time taking a payout.
Yeah, I'm in the same PA I've been in. I have this PA I've been in it for a month, I want to say. I get a payout.
That's okay.
Like I'll get close. Like some days I just don't trade. But I try and trade most days. And a lot of times it'll be like, like my best day was $1,000. I made that and I stopped and I didn't fucking touch the damn thing the rest of the day. The next day I lost my, I try and keep my risk, like my daily risk is like $200. If I go down $200, I stop. And like today it was like I just kept trying to be 200 to the good, and I'd get close, and I was like, all right, and I'd try another trade, and I'd kind of like wipe out. And today it was just, I think it was just over trading, really, more than anything. I couldn't get in the entry to ride. The big moves. That's what I want with NQ. You know.
Yeah, don't we
We
all?
all want to know, where are you going to stop? Where are you going to where's the one that was the lowest candle I'm giving tonight. That was the bottom. Get in. We all try to be in there. What levels do people watch? Like what determines that with NQ? Like ES is a little bit easier. Like I've traded ES. That's really where during the day, because I can get nice entries on that. And it's pretty obvious on the Bookmap. So maybe I just need to stop trading NQ.
Well, what I've learned with NQ in my trading career is that you take small cuts and you size into it as you get more comfortable with your strategy, is what I've learned. And then when you take that cut, you walk away. Something I'm teaching Hunter right now, and it's done me very well. You can if you it's a mindset, right? I would say it's a mindset. It's not anybody can click a button to get in a trade.
Heart starts racing, palms start sweating. It's money on the line. I'm at the point now where
it's
a lot of money in evals and PAs, and I'm finally at the point. It's like, all right, I want my first payout to put me on the green, not my second.
Okay, right.
And I'm real close.
And you say you've been working on this eval for over a month, or not eval, funded account, right?
PA. I passed the other one, and then I totally flaked the one day on the wheel and got just whipsawed on MAQ, and all of a sudden it closed the account, liquidated the PA. I saw, I was like, oh, the daily loss limit. So I'm really babying the one that I got. I'm not buying any. I'm not buying any more evals. This one's final. Make or break me in my mind at this point. It's like, damn it.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, out of curiosity, what is your size?
50K.
Okay, you have a 50K prop. And then you use what size micros for when you do trade, or NQ or minis? I don't know.
Two micros typically. I was doing 5. MAQ can be so evil, but that can hurt really fast.
Sure.
Because you get stopped out. So I kind of cut my size back because I'm able to handle one or two contracts. I can go down 10, 15 points, which MAQ can do sometimes before that level takes off. So it's helped a lot. It keeps my losses small. My wins aren't as big. Like last week, I've caught 100-point trades on MAQ. I'll get in it. I really like the big 100 levels. The hundreds are nice because they're easy for me to pick as a level of support and resistance. I can, 100 is all right. Once it gets past 15 and it starts to get some strength, we're going up. You know, if I chose short, I'll lose 15 points. You know, that's $40, $50 trade, not too bad. But, and then when it turns around, the contracts can be a lot with MAQ. ES, not so much. So
Right. Right. Yeah. No. It's not. So it's a definitely a loss tolerance that you have to build with trading a bigger size or even scaling into. $200 on 2 MNQ is roughly 50 points, right?
Yeah, like 50. I mean,
50 points.
So it's not, you know, and it's I won't let it run away from me. 50 points anymore.
Can I ask what firm you're using? Apex.
I've always
yeah.
used I love Apex. I use you guys' codes a lot of times when I have bought new evals. You know.
Absolutely. I think we're gonna be doing an Apex giveaway here soon. Probably when we get those codes, we'll have Hunter give those away.
That'd be awesome.
And let the TWB community get you. I think I'm not sure with the new setup if they will give it to us. They should. We pump out a lot of affiliates for them. So, and then another thing is that what do you think you could do? What if you were to say something about like your trading, you know, before we go and call Hunter to the stage, and I'll let you talk to Hunter too. But like, what would you do different? Like, how would learning and really it's just to give you guys a quick update about what's going on is that Hunter is learning. He bought his first eval, he passed. We got him into a funded account in his first eval. We have a profit right now of $853 in his account that he funded, and we've been working on this for 2 weeks. And I guess the question I have for you, think for yourself, is that do you feel like you have a better advantage spacing out your trades over a long period of time? Do you feel like you have an edge? Where are you at in that particular thought process?
You know, I'm still looking for. I'm trying to find my edge. Like for a bit, I thought my edge was scalping because you know I got pretty good at scalping, and then that didn't like I can't get consistent in anything, and so it's like, and then I feel like I start to try something different. Like price levels seem to be key. That's what a lot of people talk about. Like, and I like price levels. That's what I've tried. I'm getting better at that. I'm just where the hell do we get these price levels from?
Well, to answer your question, think for yourself. I get them from looking left.
From what?
I can't. Looking left. Yep. For example, I have a chart up right now. We look left. I mean, the price level here, 25.019 reversed. Why? Because we did reverse here once before. We have understanding where there was capitulation and consolidation and distribution. So for instance, the reason why, if you look at this price level here, let me get a box drawn out here for you. Looking left, so I would draw a box from here to here sometimes, and that would be a supply zone. So if we get back into that supply, we could dump off. When we get into a demand zone, which is, I believe, yeah, it's supply above, demand below. So demand zone, you look left, and we're obviously at demand here at 310. So I look left for 310 and see where there was a possible place where we would have bounced, and then we look left. But this is the new contract, so we don't have very far left to go. But we do know what's up, and we do know kind of what's down. I mean, if you look at the daily, you can look at the daily on this new contract, and we don't have nothing here yet. But I mean, this is kind of a supply price here, and then we resisted below this price here. And then obviously we're trying to figure out where to go from here on the daily. But looking for those prices and where you're going to enter and exit and catch 50 points. I look left, and I typically like to use the Macdicator, obviously, but I've learned that looking left has saved me so much money. Just as you would think that here we look left here, just in general, just this area is just demand.
Right.
A lot of demand. Right. We could break through it now. If Globex Asia wants to bring it lower so they could buy into it. And I think we're obviously in a downtrend. Catch 50 points. I mean, so that's a long ride, because within 50 points you can have a 39-point trade positive, and then it'll turn around and go
like it did
right back
like
up.
it did on to me today. You know, I'm down 12
Right.
down $12 right now. I went short in the beginning. Right. It was looking beautiful. It broke through 50 and stayed. And I was like, all right. But then it just refused to freaking stay there. And it whipsawed right up. And I was like, now we're headed back down.
And and that's just it. I've been teaching Hunter to take a trade, cut a couple points out, and walk away. And the only thing that would change in that setup is we would move our stop loss to break even. We keep our TP at 15 points unless we see the opportunity to move the TP, and then we size into it if we're comfortable and more confident in taking that trade. And I kind of coach him back and behind. He's like, he would turn around and go, "Dad," and you'll see his reaction, but he does blame me a lot for his red. And again, too, it's like the best loser wins. And
love that.
Sometimes he would ask me, "Dad, how did
Tom Hogarth is the main."
Yeah, he is, and he's right.
He is.
Because if you take a loss, and we'll talk about this real quick before we get Hunter over. You take a loss, you identify with that as a human being that you failed. You identify with it as a human being as that you were not good enough. You identify with all those things. But the thing is that you are good enough for trading, and you know how to get into the market. You see the opportunities. Now you have to just reevaluate whether or not that was fear of missing out. You have to reevaluate on whether or not that was why you took that trade. Why didn't you stay a little bit more patient? And of course, if you can't handle that, which of course my son, he's learning he can't.
It's tough, man.
He would throw a fit. He would throw a fit. He goes, "Man, this is already negative." He goes, "I'm going to move my stop loss to closer to or further away." I go, "Don't move that. Take the loss." And he would just be like, "Why not? If I would have stayed in, I'd be green." And I know, but you picked the right direction. You just picked the wrong time to enter. And that's where you start to self-develop. And that's, of course, takes time. And if you do it by yourself, if you do it like I did by myself, you pick up bad habits. Yeah. And I'm actually been restructuring off of him and teaching him, coaching him to build better habits and walk away. And he would sit there and log out and be like, I'm done. It's just like
coaching yourself
and
like coaching somebody else.
Absolutely. So I'm gonna see if he can get over here real quick. I'm gonna put some music on. And if you want to read price action, actually, you can read price action for a little bit here while I grab him, if you don't mind. Yep. 1 second. All right, here he is. The man, the myth, the legend. He's going to be trading at 50K. I got it all pulled up already. So think for yourself. This is Hunter. I know you're on here. Can you hear me?
What's up, Hunter?
How's it going?
You know, I'm just trying to get a payout, man.
Yeah, we're all there at this point, trying to get there. I don't know. I just got a nap in from after working. Moving that snowman.
It's still snowing up there.
Not anymore, but it stopped at like 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning.
Feel for you.
Fun
It's
stuff.
just windy and rainy here right now.
I wish. I'll take that any day.
That's what I love about North Carolina. It gets warm early. Doesn't last too late, you know. And if you don't like the weather, you just gotta wait a day.
See setup.
Mm-hmm.
Watch for those lower gaps though. What are you doing, Hunter? Tell them what you're doing.
Well, I'm waiting for it to drop down to a better setup.
It might not.
And it might not. But we'll find out. It's really slow. Mm. I don't know what to say. I don't know. What have you been up to?
He's been trading. He's looking for a setup. Are you gonna trade right now? Think for yourself.
That would have been perfect. And
I want to do 1 minute or 2.
we're really gonna do 1 minute.
All right.
Had some bad luck on 2 minis today. Got on earlier and lost 1,000, but then made it all back in one trade. It was kind of crazy.
So tell me what you
I want to go long, and I'm just looking for the perfect entry, and there's obviously it's not going to give it to me. It's really slow. I don't even want to trade this.
It's gonna move soon. It's the top of the hour. All right, so we're waiting for price action to come through. Obviously, we have a gap up here at 24,851.80. We're using the NQM6 contract. We're looking at that gap. I don't think I've activated any other gaps on the trade of it. There they are. Got to go back in time on this thing and activate them. There's plenty of them down there because it's a new contract, but we have to confluence it with TradingView. So, all right. Well, we got. I think I'm thinking long. If we can get past up here, otherwise we're just kind of. Oh, see, there it is. A lot of gaps below. Don't really trust the structure to keep this going higher, but it could. It could go higher. Certainly could go higher.
Very much so.
Like to see it get above VWAP on this particular setup. Shoot for 15 points. All right, let's see. And also, we're looking at the 30-second chart. So that will make a big difference. So we got Hunter on the mic, Hunter on the trade.
I might take a trade from hopefully 40, and I'm hoping and praying, but it'll go up to at least 50.
40 to 50.
40 to 50. If not 55.
All right, we're pushing lower. So wait, be a little patient. We got 8 seconds left on this candle. If it hits 38, it's in a downtrend. Look at the book map. Go ahead. Do what you gotta do. It's short right now.
I know.
Is that a? I think that's a sweep. Sweep to go higher. Yeah, it's a sweep. 26 seconds.
It would have pulled me in.
Ooh, big boss.
No point.
Back your head up a little. You got a response here. Silver 422. Silver said, great job. Silver said, great job getting the funded account, Hunter. You have a great teacher.
Yeah, I've kind of figured that after I kind of passed the first time. But
How many people pass an eval on their first time, guys? It's just,
I did not.
it's tough.
I did not. It was. I had several before I passed one.
Damn.
I did too.
I mean,
I also walked into this. I had nobody teaching me anything. I just walked in and started going. Kind of learned as I went. Trying to take advice from other people. Anybody who's got advice. Everybody keeps telling me price action. Trade levels. So,
well, I just put in for a buy. So at
no, I'm
38.
I'm long on that sweep below.
Yep.
When it went down and didn't hold, I mean, that I didn't manage. I got in at 39. I wanted to get in at the bottom of it, but 3 points above the bottom. If it hits the bottom, I'll be happy as a clam.
We're in.
We're in it now for two
That's
two minis. So
that's what I'm running. I like the risk on that.
yeah, that's better risk reward.
We're going to go back up and test the VWAP. We have yet to do so. We have not retested the VWAP yet. So I would like to see a retest. It could sweep, though. There could be some sort of a sweep to go test it. If not, then it's just down till it wants to.
I'm going to find the bottom. That wasn't it. I
No.
want that candle that when I get in down there and then I don't see that level again. Just leave.
Right? Yeah, absolutely. Every
I
time.
see it so many times on NQ. I'm like, why can't I be there? Oh yeah, because you don't try taking a trade there. Like so, when it starts to get really extended one way, I get itchy. I'm like, you know, what's two contracts on a few points? At least gonna reverse.
Yeah.
It's at least gonna reverse. If I'm in at the bottom and it stays above me, I'm okay. Like, that's what I love. I caught it the other night. I'm trying to remember which night it was. Whatever, like last week. We whipped and came back down and tested 500. Here's my level. It's a nice, comfy level. I got in it like I just set my buy order right there at 500 for one contract.
Nice.
We got the top of the hour. We got the top of the hour in about 6 minutes.
Can only hope it doesn't take me out before it launches.
Doesn't Asia start stepping up to the table at 7 or is it 7:30?
7.
Also.
Yep. Top of the hour. See if they want to bring it up, retest, and sell it.
Never know what they're gonna do though. Unfortunate. Would it be a day if you could just get on and make some money? That's the day that we all can only hope for.
Yeah.
Enter. Readjust the camera.
No. Leave it. I got it.
There you go.
No.
Back in this long again. Slightly better entry.
We're back up.
I cut it like
We're on
I
the,
lost.
I hope I got the bottom of
Me
it.
too. I'm a point better than I was the last time. We'll see.
Did it take me out of one contract or
You're still into
both? That ain't bad.
It's that gap we haven't picked up from up above, Ryan. It's at 890.
Yeah.
So
Oh, let's see. 851. 851.75.
Here it goes.
let's go.
So I'm hoping to get a hair above the VWAP there. We got a nice little push here. Can't hear the book map. 1 second. I need to hear it.
I've got mine muted, so it's not over.
That pullback.
Remember, these are 30-second candles. It's gapping up.
Man, I wish I lived in North Carolina. That'd be pretty nice.
Wish you were in North Carolina.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got 2 days. The next 2 days will be like 45 during the day, and then Thursday it starts to warm back up, and then Friday and weekend is beautiful. I think I'm gonna go back out to Uwari, digging for some more gold. Went the other weekend. I managed to find it. Like I was like, oh, snap! All right.
Yep.
You're a
But
prospector?
yeah, dude, I started watching and like watching some videos, and I was just like, because it's $5,000 an ounce. A lot of people don't realize how little gold it takes to make an ounce.
Right.
And it's in the ground. It's been in the ground. And North Carolina was the original gold rush in the country. Reed Gold Mine is an hour and 45 minutes from my house. Uwari Creek is an hour and 20 minutes from my house. That's where I went, and I was just like, I'd watched a whole bunch of Jeff Williams and stuff, and watched his videos on how to prospect and how to find gold. It's just like, well, let's go look in the creek and look under the boulders and look at the places he told me to look and see if we can't find it. Sure enough, I managed to find it. And I was like, oh crap! All right, well, this is new. was like, I had a blast, dude. I had so much fun walking in the water, playing and digging in the dirt. Like, man, I was like being a freaking kid looking for rocks. But the rocks that can pay my bills.
Right?
It's like I get to have fun doing this all day. Like I told my wife, I'm like, let's just sell everything, buy a fucking RV, and go out west. Like I have to go play in the dirt every day. She tells me I'm crazy. I'm like, I don't really think I am. That's what they used to do.
Yeah.
Society, you know, I can try. I can trade. I can trade from anywhere. I have a Starlink satellite box sitting out back. All I gotta do is reactivate it, stick it on the top of the RV. Let's go.
Right?
Yep.
It's like
People don't realize how easy it could really be.
no. I mean, I'm one of the guys that works for me. I met him in Uwari, and he came work for me this weekend. He's like, "Yeah, I live on the road." What? He's like, "Yeah, I camp, sleep in the car, just chill." I'm like, he's like, I take a shower at the Planet Fitness every day. Like DoorDashes in major cities when he needs a little cash if he's not finding it in gold. I'm just like, dude, like this is the life. I wake up, trade, go dig in the dirt.
Oh yeah. I in fact like doing that myself.
I'm trying to get my kid to go with me. He's starting to see the 9 to 5 is a fucking trap. Excuse my language, everybody.
Oh, Hunter's
Excuse
ruined.
my language, but it's a trap.
Yeah, no, you're good. It is a trap. That is a trap to the rat races.
I've been listening to Ryan for a long time. We know. We see eye to eye on a lot of shit.
Wow.
Let's go.
You see that? Keep going, keep
Now.
going.
Come on, Tokyo.
Keep going. Yo!
Take it to the target.
It just hit me. It took me out $593.
I'm up 85.
Yep.
You're running.
I was running too.
You're running. The big boy.
Yeah. I'm running minis. It hit my stopwatch.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Hey, look at some rain. Oh my goodness. Check that out. Make that rain. Did you get that too?
I did.
Think for yourself?
Dude, I caught it. I closed it because I see the triangle of doom. Bookmap.
The triangle.
Yeah, but dude, them triangles, man, they can be you know, when I took the triangles last night, I was cool. Like I made a little bit of money.
Oh yeah. There's some things. There you go. That's all that matters.
All right. So did that go up to 50 points you needed it? I'm sorry, we didn't put it in a trade so you guys can even see his P&L. He got to $593. 593 bucks. That was let's see if I can get it up here on the screen here. There you go.
There you go. We are green for the day. And
So-
it's the beginning of the day.
So yeah, we're at $1,459 in profit on this Lucid funded account. This kid right here, he took the trade, he waited, and the thing shot up like no
If I
other.
take a sell from here to there, that's gonna hit.
Oh really? You want to still trade?
I think if I get in now, I think I'll be fine because I think that's gonna be a nice
All right.
be a nice retest.
All right. You think so, huh? I'm gonna
No,
do 2 minis.
no, that would have been the retest.
I'm gonna do 2. You did a really good job. Your goal is 500 bucks a day, Hunter. That's what your goal is. Past that, you're up 100 more than that. Think about it, son. Think about it. Think about it. The dopamine's strong. I know.
Yeah.
Those are the things that I have to do to convince his mind that he's done. So, and he thinks that a short will work. If you're green, you're green. There's no point in taking another trade. You hit your goal today. You're up $1,459 in this account. You know, and you know you're practically like,
Yeah.
no, and
I'm closing my thing. Take 0 trades. I religiously stuck to it that day. I just need to happen every friggin' day.
so I walked away for a minute, and 30 seconds later, pop go the weasel.
Should have had it up a little bit more.
Are you trying that short?
No, I'm not. I'm rethinking it through. I don't think I'm gonna try it. But if I would get in back at the blue line. Where's that? 52.40, and then I would try to hold it till 90 or 39 on the dot. I wouldn't even go anything farther. But that's what I would do. Not a financial advisor or anything, but that's something I would.
See,
That's
look,
my decision.
look, it's coming right back up.
But honestly, it just came back up to where my buy position would have been.
Okay, so your dad drew a trend line here, so it's following trend in my opinion.
Yeah, it is.
So anybody
down.
who was selling at 24,860 took that trade good, but
That trend's gonna go. Bye bye.
you think it's gonna break the trend and go to the 200 EMA?
It might.
It could. It certainly could. Wow, that's a good trade.
It wasn't a bad one.
Yeah.
For certainly.
That's too bad I didn't get it in the trade.
Yourself?
No, I didn't get it in the trade setting where we have in a trade.
I thought it was already there.
No, we weren't watching the profit and target, but we did make a profit. Okay, we did take our 15 points, took 2 minis.
Did trade 2 minis. If I would have traded 1, I think I would have been a little mad. I would have only made half that.
And 5 trades is saying it's a headache. We got anybody in the Discord? No, watching us, no.
Person.
So think for yourself. Typically, at this point, after we've hit our mark, after we do that, I usually like to turn to Hunter and go, well,
We've hit our right.
you ready to go walk away?
I'm done.
You're done?
I'm done trading.
He's
I
done.
made my money. Take 1 trade, walk away. That's my whole goal.
It's a good goal.
Work 1. My goal is to take 1 trade, make $500, and then leave it alone. Because then I know that after that I made $500 and I can be happy with it.
One thing I wanted to touch about that thought process and taking 1 trade and you know, if it's green or red and walking away, it allows your mind to kind of
Accept the fact
that you made that kind of money. Because your mind doesn't know it's real or not.
It just kind of figures that it's going to be there when you get back, and if it's not, then you're going to be pissed.
Yep. And building this account over a period of a week,
This
2 weeks,
bad.
2 weeks,
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
This has been really good for the past 2 weeks. For
His friends are asking, "What are you doing?" I don't want to work 9 to 5.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be doing this
sick
for
of
the
this
next
9 to
60
5.
years.
I'm sick of it. I've been working it for a while, and I'm over it, man. Been doing it for the past 3 years, and I'm good on that. I don't want to work my 60.
I'm 43. I've been
And
I've been working since I was 16.
Yep, I've been working since 13.
All my life. I always keep telling me, you work harder, you make more money. One day.
Man, I ain't never listened to
How you
that.
got rich? I'm like, because they say money's worth something.
Yep.
I see.
Yep.
I see.
They say what it's worth, and then that's what it's worth to them. And it's
Basically,
unfortunate.
when the market starts to crash, they're going to bail it out because all their wealth goes with the market.
Oh yeah, everybody's gonna be buying houses and cars and just try to keep their profit losses minimum. They don't lose too much on the dollar, but they also have a vehicle that they said that they bought for the nice price of 300,000.
M5 trades.
No, most of
He's lucky to have it.
most of them just buy a car for 300,000. Just don't take an income.
Yep.
Don't take an income. When you take a loan out from the bank against your stock that you hold, that's your money. You can spend it on whatever you want. When they say, "Where'd you get this money?" I took out a loan, and the government unfortunately can't tax your loan ever.
Yep.
Ever. And they can't tax your capital, unrealized capital gains, as long as you're just holding stock and borrowing against it. The system is in your favor. You don't have then you just don't want to show anybody your tax return because you show that you have zero income. But they're like, "Well, you're worth so many billions." On paper.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's not like that.
It's all that matters is whatever it says on
And it's like
paper.
everybody's like, "Oh, it's system's rigged." It's like, yes, learn how it's rigged and do the same thing. It's not rigged against anybody. Every American has the same opportunity to cheat the system.
Oh yeah.
Play by the rules.
It's just, are they smart enough to do it?
Most of us aren't. Most of us just refuse to. But most of us, they want to keep claiming it's rigged and it's set up to screw them, and they're right. It's just like, yes, as long as you see it that way and you won't take advantage of the loopholes. Yeah. Sorry. But who's in charge?
So I only need to make $500
Yeah, you only need to make 500
to pass, or not pass, but
to meet your daily.
no, I only need 500 to take out, withdraw.
Oh, he's asking about funding, payouts.
Or do
So
I
on
need
a
like
50K Lucid Hunter, you're looking for $52,100 as a buffer, and then anything above $500 from there you can withdraw after your third trading day on the funded. This is day number 2, so tomorrow would put you at 50. At this price, our target would put you at about close to $2,100 in profit, and then everything after that is requestable.
Perfect.
And you'll be able to start requesting as of tomorrow if
things go
things go well. So we'll see. And
well, guys, you guys heard it.
We can do a payout, and then we can do a payout request. What day is it today? Tuesday?
Yep, we can do it probably by Friday.
Oh, well, it's a trading day Tuesday. It's Monday. So we could probably do a payout request by Thursday, live and on YouTube, using a Lucid account. Beautiful. Lucid Pro 3-day payout with a buffer of 2,100. Same day.
Hey,
Same
there's
day.
my trade. I called it.
Yes, M5 trades, correct. And then of course, you do have to meet the active trading day goal of $500 a day on the 50K. But you can withdraw up to $2,000. But the minimum is 500.
I want to buy the rebot.
Huh.
I think it's gonna push back up.
Okay. Hey, it's your account. I think it's still gonna dump.
Yeah, I tried for a long up there, 50, and when it came back and it just refused.
I would do.
I closed it.
I wouldn't be scared of a short.
I gave it back like that.
Right. I wouldn't be scared. You be patient. Be patient. It's okay if you don't take a trade. You're not missing out on anything. Remember.
I know I'm not missing out on anything. I already made my money.
I know. It's nice because I could groom him to
made what we need to make.
The right trades, to think about the trades. Because when he's not next to me, when he's 5 years from now, 2 years from now, he's going to be like, well, Dad would probably say I should just be patient.
You should just wait.
But
sitting on them hands is a position.
Yep.
Yeah,
You know,
it's great because you know my kid's trading, man. I'm so stoked. It's
that is pretty awesome.
something we can.
That is pretty awesome. I wish mine would. I try and tell them about it.
Not for everybody. I mean, hey, looking at a whole bunch of numbers and lines, squiggly lines, I've gotten called by my friends that the things that I do is, I mean, unreasonable, or trading is a hack to the system, depending on if you know how to do it.
Don't listen to what.
That's what they say.
Don't listen to what any of them say. Don't listen to what any of them say.
Oh, no, that's the thing is I show them wrong, and I show them me green, and then they're going, well,
I try not to talk about it too
damn.
much. 'Cause I'm tired of the looks. I'm tired, and people like rolling their eyes and all that. It's like, you know what? You don't. I don't have to tell you. Like what I do.
I'm proud of it. I'm kind of happy that I can sit there and say that I still work a 9 to 5 and I trade and do everything that other people say that they can't
Graduated
do.
high school.
And I graduated high school.
I didn't even, you know,
Like I'm doing more than
new to life.
I'm doing more than what other people would ever do in the next maybe 5 to 10 years.
Humble
5
down.
to 6 years.
Whether you say you can, whether you say you can, or you say you can't.
Yep.
You're right.
I'm doing it.
Yeah. So super excited about it.
I'm glad I didn't get in.
Yeah, look at that trend line. Just held.
Yeah,
Yeah, held from the top there. I drew it from the top. Just kind of rejected it every time we've come to it.
I use the restroom.
So let's say peace out.
I gotta use the restroom. I'll be back.
All right, let's go into an analysis mode. Let's look at this thing. There it goes. There it's a continuation to go lower. Quick, fast, and
In a hurry.
to the point. Emma, M5 Trades, thanks for chatting with us. Much appreciated. Oh, think for yourself. I hope that you're able to get some good trades tonight, man, and kind of work your way towards a payout. And I hope that Hunter is an inspiration to continue to just
He is. I'm gonna
keep
keep grinding. I'm not gonna
keeping
keep
on.
grinding. Anything else in my life that's been trying to keep me on, damned if I've let it yet. And this is gonna be the you know, if there's 5% of us that make it. I'm one of the 5%. I'm just not there yet.
Hey, we all are part of the 5%.
95% fail. It's because they give up. You don't
That's what failing means.
what you're doing wrong. Like, you know, that's the reason that I'm sticking with it. Is because I am seeing progress. I blew like damn near every account I got in the beginning, trying and figuring out, well, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Right now, what did I do there? Oh, well, don't do that anymore. You know,
That would have been a great trade.
now it's I'm either break even on the day, down $100, $200, or up. You know, luckily I had a few.
You're up, green, $200.
I mean, I had a few.
That's what I
I had
heard.
a few good days last week. My account balance is at like 51,000 right now. I need 52.6 for a payout. 1,600 more.
Hey,
You need $600 more dollars before you take a payout.
yeah.
Oh,
1,600.
1,600.
That's about what I need.
Nice and slow.
So, yeah, we're taking it slow as long as we get there. And hopefully, we're both taking payouts at the end of the week.
Oh, we definitely are. We got FOMC coming Wednesday.
Yeah, big day. Big
Yeah,
day.
huge gamma magnet at 660 on spot. Like, we're gonna see some. We got some volatilities on the table. That's for sure.
I think this red line would be a good spot to trade down.
Then trade it. You see a setup? Trade it.
Down to here.
Yeah, I think so too. But he's taking a trade.
I'm gonna see if it'll hit it. I want to see if it'll come back up, but I don't know if it will. Oh, we're back in. We're in, and yeah, I got it in the bottom of it with the trend line. It's not a good spot to get in.
It's okay.
Get out of my room.
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh. The trade that I just took, I'm down 100. But I'm only trading one mini. Or one micro, sorry. Not, yeah.
You're at 1 mini.
Huh? No.
1 mini.
No, you have one mini.
Oh, yeah, one mini.
Or, well, no, you have what are you trading? Are you trading ES or NES?
NQ. Yeah, NQ.
Yeah, I'm trading NQ. I'm trading micro.
Yeah.
Mine's like $1.25 tape or something like that.
Yeah,
Yours is like,
harder to trade.
it's hard. It's hard. Whoa.
Yep. It's harder to blow too. Harder to make money. But hey, everybody gotta start somewhere.
Here we go. The dump.
And here, I hope, is the dump. I hope it doesn't come past that.
Start from the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah. Damn, the order I would have bought if I would have bought it.
No, looks like it's gonna hit that wet. And then figure out if it wants to reject there.
I really hope it rejects it, because this could be a turnaround point. And that would be very, very bad for the trade that I'm in.
1 mini on a 50K over leverage.
Give some back.
I guess. Unfortunate, but
I'm giving them a little bit back too. Trend line.
yeah. I'm hoping it just it did reject it, so hey, I hope it'll come back further. Just a little bit further.
Stop.
Damn, it just took me out.
And then it reversed. Oh, you got back in short?
I'm getting back in short. Yeah. I think I
Alright,
did a good
Hunter.
job. And I bought the top of that.
Okay. That doesn't mean it's the top, son. It was a rejection. It was definitely a sweep. Okay, we have a candle to the left on the 32nd.
You think it was a buy?
I don't know. It's trying to push. It's it's wedging.
Damn.
That is a
Garbage nighttime price action.
it's wedging, so it can come down. Now he's feeling the emotions, guys. He's feeling the emotions. He's like, oh no. Did I make the right choice? Just go down already. Just go down. Give me green again. Oh no, 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 no.
That's why I like tiny size.
You're fine.
Here we go.
You're fine.
Yay.
Here we go. Oh!
See, it's gotta fix this candle at the bottom here. I want you to look at, pay attention.
Yeah, I know. I was
Okay?
going to put it
See
there.
that candle right? No, I want you to see that it's gonna fix this candle.
Mm-hmm. Go
It's
there.
gonna fix this, and then we're gonna retest 833.75, and then we do have another gap down there. Don't move your take profit. What are you doing? Okay.
30.
All right.
Or
That's fine, son. You're fine.
32.70. Or do you want to do 32? Or 33.
Um,
Do 33. Do the very bottom of that candle.
I would vote if anywhere right here.
Do that.
30. If it does break, it's coming at
And we're up
23,
50 bucks, 40 bucks.
35. We'll do there.
She's dropping.
Struggling. We got a lot of buyers.
What do you see? What do you think's gonna happen? You think they're gonna keep buying it? Yep, we're back underneath the trend line. We've been underneath it.
I was short I took my short, and I really should have just held it down. Fine the whole time almost. And, I could have got a better entry on that pump that we had earlier.
Yep.
Because I'd have cut it down there when it started to reject. It's really, I try and guess at damn open at nighttime because there's no, without volume to test the price level, it's just, which way is the market going to decide to go? Which way is it going to grind tonight?
Yep.
For the Asia session. That's all it's going to do. It's going to range up and down. And if you get good entry and it goes away from you, and you're in the right direction, you can just ride it, just laugh the whole time till you're green. Less green sometimes. More green later. Yeah,
Yep.
let's go.
Yep. Yeah, that's pretty dope. No, you're good.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Discord's one thing. It's just comes to it, but I'm on YouTube, so.
I have a filter on, so I think.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, I think it'll pop you out. M5 trades. Take care. Have a good night.
Have a good one.
Yeah. No, I have a filter on.
But I think I made a good decision. For right now, anyways.
We'll see.
It's working.
It is working. The decision that I made, it is working for sure.
We got 9 steps up at 7:30.
These are 30-second candles. These are 30-second candles, hunters. So confluence with this here.
What is that? What's the
This
top
is
of
1
here?
minute candle.
What's here?
That's a VWAP.
VWAP. So I'm decent. I'm a little bit above VWAP.
Oh boy.
Oh no. That might have been a sweep.
No, that's not a sweep. It's a higher low.
Yeah, the two. This is a very scary spot to be in right here. I don't like it.
Stay calm.
Knock that price a little lower.
Heck with it. Dump it.
Put a boat anchor up to it. Put a boat anchor to that thing and drop that dang. Far out.
It'll be right. Half-hour candles closing soon.
I really, though, considering, like, you keep saying we're getting a correction on SPY and all this, so, like, I'm buying the JP Morgan short collar. It's down at 56, I think. 56.60. Where is it? Because why would they put their short collar down there unless they knew it was eventually going to get there? Market maker's going to make it.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to throw 1,000. That's all you need to trade. One month.
Yeah, yeah.
Just gonna go long. December. See how much money
Nice.
I have. Dude, because it's gonna be. I've seen so many people that are like, "Oh, I want my gold back when it was $200." This has been riding the futures. I'm like, and they're looking at that's like 75K on like one contract. Like, what? Oh yeah, I missed $1,000. Stop fiddle.
All right. How you feeling?
Like I just got robbed.
They're bullish down here. They ain't playing.
Oh, stop.
Give me a shot. All right, Dad's coming in. All right, let's narrate this thing and look at it. We got the 200 EMA, VWAP right there. Reaching for that 200. I'd like to see it hit. Let's go look at the 1 minute here. Oh, yeah.
7:30 come.
Yeah,
You think
7:30.
got in a little early? Just the wrong way.
I think you just went the wrong way.
Trading 2.
Oh, I'm looking for an entry. I want to go long. Sounds crazy, but I want to go long back up to open here. We'll see if we can wait
Don't
for
do
it.
too many.
It'll be fine.
Hmm?
It'll be fine. All right. See if we're gonna reject this VWAP. Go lower or bounce off of it. I don't see any buyers. It's kind of real thin in here. Bounce. There's the confirmation candle for support on the 1. We need it to close up there.
I just walked away. My $500. There's the top of the bottom.
Oh, nice pullback. Just ripped it lower.
Keep going. Keep going.
It just broke the trend line.
It's testing trend. Trying to get in at 51.50 for a long. Doesn't want to cross my nice time to walk. Yeah, I wanted to go long here at 51.50, but it didn't take my order and went without me. Tear in my eye. Goodness gracious.
We'll be If you go rip, then let's go. I reversed.
Almost hit. It would have been a hit. At least close to it.
You want to buy the bottom of it, or the top of it?
No. No, you wait for this retest. There's a mean right here at 857. We need to retest that mean before we continue higher.
No, I understand that by the retest.
Maybe. Maybe. I mean, I wanted to enter that trade and it wouldn't have gotten me out.
Nope.
It would not have. I would have just missed it. All right, going long. Yep, I'm going long. What do we got for time? 7:34 on the Eastern Seaboard.
I think that's
Oh, dude, I love trading Asia. I'm not gonna lie. I do love trading Asia. It's just slow enough to understand and comprehend. New York, 30 point candles.
expensive. That's what there are. It's way too expensive. Damn, it took a hop.
Does that?
Took a hop the wrong way.
Yeah, Silver. I know. I hear you. It happens time to time. All right, sounds good. Thanks for thinking for yourself.
Appreciate y'all.
Appreciate
Y'all in a
it.
little while. Y'all still gonna be on?
Probably.
Maybe. I might force a peace out after. Yeah. So
See y'all later.
we'll see you later. All right. Is this gonna continue higher, or is this gonna stop us out? Nah. Struggle's real. Just a very low volume tonight.
It's trying to stop us. Trying to stop us out. Come on, Dad. I need to make that money back.
You don't need to make anything back.
We're about to lose it all.
Wrong chat? That's okay. It's all right, Silver 4K. 2. I mean, where'd all these buyers go? What the heck?
Gone. Used.
They used me, abused me. Yeah. Look like no structure to turn around here. Sheesh. Yeah, it's going to the green line. Then it's going back up to the red line. I don't want to risk it though. Oh, you came back and the video was delayed? Yeah, just push it forward.
Still on that thing? Sorry, wait, bro.
All right, we're rolling back up. We're here, recovering, going back to the 200 EMA. Let's see if we can break it this time. Got a lot of buyers coming through. Be nice to see them. See a continuation here all the way up to the high of day. Need to close above the 200 EMA on this 1 minute. Please. Thank you. I'm gonna trade to 24,894.70. Let's put it up there. Why not? Why not? It might even go as far as 24,897, even 900. Might go as far as 900. Did you send it? Yeah.
It just takes somebody that is willing to lose all of it.
It takes somebody that's willing to lose all of it, he says. Well, 208 EMA didn't want to stay there.
You don't.
Pizza.
Mm. All right, come on, 200 EMA. Let's go.
Stop. Seriously, no?
Oh, Someone's mad. All right, currently in the trade right now, we are entered at 24,860.25, and I moved my TP to 24,897. I don't think we'll get up there. I'm gonna look for an exit at 75, 875-ish, or at least moving my stop loss to 875 I'd be happy with. So I think we're bullish here, reaching for these gaps. Maybe the first gap is probably what I'd like to see it touch. Kind of just making the move accordingly. Up $410. It was up. I was. But I want to get out of this area here before we move my stop loss. I don't want to hug it too close. If I love it too tight, it ain't gonna love me back. So we'll see if we can make it past 880. The Bookmap is looking at like maybe 880 might be a good target. 900, we have 27 lots up there, so it could be the attractant for that price action. We did just get an iceberg pushed up above here, so we could push down. We got 10 iceberg on the Bookmap, so but we could just go tear that up because they want to get out because it's pushing and squeezing up higher. Hunter behind me, do you see the look on his face? Just exit the trade, Dad. Exit the trade. We're green. We're green. We're green. Don't hold. Don't hold. Don't hold this 3-2 minis for a 24 A60.
I'm just hungry.
Yeah, you're hungry? We'll get some food here shortly. It's dinner time where I am. But
What about you guys?
I need a trade time.
Oh, we're supposed to get paid today from plowing. Is it Monday?
No.
Yeah, it's Monday.
Is it?
Yeah?
Oh, it's Monday.
Yeah, we were supposed to get paid today.
Oh, cool. More money. Let's do it. Let's see if we can stay above this 200 EMA versus dump it. No, we struggled. Struggling. Reversing at the open. That was the opening price right here. 24,870. Stay above the 200. We closed. Get some green. No, not red. Green. Get some green trade here. Come on, let's go. All right, whatever. Fine. Reverse.
The get out would have been nice.
That's questionable. Yeah, no, I think I can find a better entry, huh? Yes, buy.
I don't know. I'm planning on getting pizza.
Dumped. Peace.
Trade would have been nice.
Mm. Now, is this the retest? This is a retest here on the 200 EMA to go lower. If we reject this 64 price, then it's time for me to get out. Maybe we got 4 seconds left. Let's see where we open. Oh, rejected the 64. Fighting with it. Fighting with it. Looking at the indicators. Making sure we see what we got.
I want the chicken buffalo pizza from Domino's.
How's it feel to want, son?
Feels great. It's right down the road.
All right, we need a close up here. 21 seconds. There you go. Get above it. Get above 75. 75, 73 is a standard deviation. Thank you. Here we go. New high, new session high. Let's go. Only 8 points away. Come on. New session high. 880 is a resistance, so if we break it, we could push through it. If we don't, it's getting ready to, they're getting out. Like, they're selling 874. Yeah.
That's what I had earlier today. Well, technically yesterday. Day trading session is 75. That's my TP hit.
This is a new contract. So new pricing.
Did that guy ever hit you back?
He sold the car.
What?
Mm-hmm. All right, well, it doesn't want to go higher, huh? Standard deviation rejection. What's up, Kaz? Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the blessings. We need to go long, man. I'm long. We're long. We'll see if we can't manage this trade properly, but it's not liking the 5 and the 9 stick around on it.
All right, hear me out. I drive this around until insurance figures stuff out.
No.
And I just take the vendor and the parts off.
No.
Why?
No. Okay, I can't be looking at that while I'm trying to focus on managing trades. Yeah, the distractions are real. Goodness gracious. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see, Kaz, about the long. I mean, 200 EMA is hugging it pretty good. Hugging the price. So, I mean, at this point, I could just throw it up there and just be okay with 61, 62, and then let it take me out. It's gonna go lower. What we got? Bookmap. Bookmap 73. It's loosening up. You can see it loosening up in this area here up to 74-ish. Loosening up pretty good. Nice candle up. We had a higher high. Almost coming back to session high, which is what we want.
Almost break even to what we had.
Oh, something happened. I saw a order flip over there on the book. That's nice. 410, back 430.
Ain't bad.
We'll see. It's got to close up there and keep going. We need a bullish candle. Godzilla. We need a Godzilla candle. Let's go. Getting above the standard deviation. I think they're kind of scared of 880. I think they're kind of scared. 72 reject. Again, the standard deviation. We need to get above that standard deviation. No, but we're on open. We're at open and session open right now. So let's see if they sell it or they buy it. You want to do some risk management, maybe? Maybe. I'm not filling the long anymore. Just we keep rejecting it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We've got 5 times on there. 5 minutes worth of reject. That's no bueno. No bueno for that. Unless we pop up here off this 9. Give us some buyers. Hey, Silver 4K2, thank you. You have a good night as well. Yeah, struggling at this open. Struggling at 870, real tight. We need to keep going. We need to get above that 870 mark. Close above it rather than reject it. There we go.
Seems like it's on a steady upcline.
Slow, very slow. When we see the sweep, then we know to get out.
And if it does sweep, you'll get out at a decent price.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna manage this. I mean, it's just moving way too slow for me to want to be interested in holding this anymore, but time is a shoot, that's why. Duh. Look at the time. We're 3 minutes away from top of the hour. Of course. That's why. That's why we're taking our sweet time. We have orders coming through. Now we're 2 minutes away.
Let's see it shoot up like it did on me.
It might. It might not. I don't know. It might sweep down and go get some liquidity and go higher. It could do anything it wants to do. They could buy it from right here. They like the 200 EMA area. 1 minute and 5 seconds before we get the new hourly candle. Look at some things here real quick. Make sure that we're on the right track. Oh yeah.
Okay, we're in the gray area. You gonna shoot up like she shot up for me?
20 EMA on the 15 minutes at 871.75. So we need to get above that and close. We're retesting it right now. That's on the 15. We're at 29 seconds. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Looking for 24, 8, 94.75. Getting that top of that hour. We got 13 seconds left in this candle. Coming up to session high. Beautiful trade.
Is it a liquidity grab?
Nope. It's not a liquidity grab. Moving up my stop loss to break even. We're in the new hour. Welcome to 8 p.m. Eastern. That does not look... Well, this could be a retest candle for those who missed that to go higher. Get some more buyers piling in, maybe. Oh, still got 37 seconds left, and if it wants to kind of climb its way back up to 82, it can. Or it can just dump back to 60, but you know what? It's bullish. We did tap 80. Yeah, no. Bummer. Yeah, I'm gonna stop myself out at 61. I'm out. Oh, wait. Maybe I'm not.
Solid.
Stop filled.
All right. Well, I didn't take an 80 stop TP. Should have.
I told you to leave it. Told you to get out. I did.
See, look at him. Look at him.
Told you to get out.
Look, son, I have to let you do the things that you do when you're behind the wheel. I got out green. I don't know about you. I got out good. Got green.
$500, $600 green.
Not how you look at it. There you go. There's a VWAP tap. Falling right back down. Regardless, I gotta feed my family. I really appreciate y'all hanging out with us. Think for yourself. Thank you so much for coming up on the stage in Discord. We'll have to do that more. And definitely, if you guys all want to donate to the stream, PayPal, we accept dollars, please. Thank you. And we don't need them, but if you enjoy it, that's how you can support us. Lucid Trading, RMTWB, Apex, we'll stick with the ALEXTWB as a coupon. So I'm going to call it a night. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great night. Peace.